What's happening? Before I show you where we're currently shacked up for the night, I want to share something with you. The views that I'm going to share with you are, I'm going to use the word epic, but they're fucking unreal. We're currently staying at the Himalayan Hilton. Yep, I said the Hilton. And we're on the top level. And we have views of, what are these? Snow-capped mountains?
Yeah.
These are epic, man. And the total cost for this particular room is, it's free, provided we eat dinner and breakfast here, which we're going to. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you some crazy, what we're going to do tomorrow morning. I'm going to show you this epic view and then the room. Okay? Okay, here we go. I can't see what's going on. Would you please hit the... really quickly. Now, I hope you can see that trekker with the red coat on. All right? They are... Okay, there's another group. This is what we're going to do tomorrow morning. They're over there. We're going to go along this ridge. Try to give you an idea. All the way up. All the way up, and there's a flag at the very top of that peak. Tomorrow morning, my girlfriend's got this crazy idea that we're gonna do a side trek to the very top of that peak because it has some epic views. More epic than this. Are you kidding me? Look at this. This is the view from the rooftop deck where our room is located. There are three rooms total, and this is our view from the front. My fucking God. Like, I've never seen anything like this before. Yeah, we're at the Himalayan Hilltop. Himalayan Hilton. Okay, so here's our room. So here's where we just got done having lunch right here. Right? The dining hall is downstairs. Probably not gonna show that because when you do your laundry, put them up. Let the wind take care of it. We are sharing. There's a shared bath. Got a squatty potty. There's a light. Oh, no, that didn't go on. Never mind. Got 2 buckets. Bucket shower. Oh, there's a shower head. There it is. And the room is free, once again. So let's go in. You can see where we're going to be sleeping tonight. Here it is. I need to remove my sleeping bag from my backpack. And my girlfriend's already done. Let's remove her sleeping bag from her backpack. There's carpet, so it's not going to be super cold. I like that the structure is wood. Okay. And light. Another light. And most importantly, it's a place to put your cell phone as a charge or whatever, your electronic device, your camera. And there's an outlet. Oh yeah, we got some chairs. But this is a window, and out of this window, this is our view. Holy moly guacamole. Phew. And if you decide not to eat your meals here, our host said the room would be 1,000 rupees. But, wow. Right. Wow. There's another group going up. Wow. It's actually going to take us, I'm going to try to record our trip up tomorrow. But that's it. This is where we're shacked up for tonight. All right, peace, love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments. As usual, get out and travel. Enjoy yourself. One love.